Hello everyone. In our one of our previous video, we showed you that how to use a filter function in Microsoft Excel, and today we are here with a new video in which we'll let you know that how you can use a sort function. All right, so sort function is very useful when it comes to a long set of data. If you have in your Excel, Microsoft Excel, and you would like to sort it with any of the details like that. Like for example, that we have a data here, we have multiple columns here with different headers on it, like customer ID, company name, contact number, title, and country, like that. So let's say if you have such data set in your Excel and you want to just sort it out with alphabetic order, how you can do that. So follow the video. Here is how you can do that. I'll get back to my
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.
how you can do that. I'll get back to my original sheet where I would like to make it sort, and I'll go to the cell which is B2 here, and let's put the formula here, sort, and here now it says array. We need to provide the data. Where is the data? What to look for? So I'll go here and this insert function button, which is FX. You can see right before your formula bar. Click on it. Now in the first box it says array. We need to provide the array, so I'll go to the data, customer data worksheet here down below, and I'll select any of the cell. Then I press Control A to select my entire data. Now you can see here our data is changed. It says table customer data. All right, now second box it says sort index. Now if you go down, you'll see there, you will see here it says sort index, a number indicating the row or the column to sort by. So now we need to provide the reference index, whether which column or row it will look for. So let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns around with us with the titles, customer ID, following with until country. So the customer ID is number one, and company name is number two, then contact name three, title four, and country five. So let's say, for example, I would like to sort it with the contact name, which is my column index number three. I'll take number three here. Now, sort order. If I come here and below it says, what is sort order? A number indicating the desired sort order. One is ascending order, which is a default one, and -1, which is -1 for descending order. All right, so let's go with one, A to Z, and it's all done. We don't need that by column number or like that logical formula here. Just click OK, and here we go. Now, if you look at the contact name, you will see it's all in order. The sort order A to Z, A, B, like that, that kind of numbers. All right, so that way you can use the sort function in your um, data that you have on your Microsoft Excel. Same way you can make it for any other column as well. Let's say, I mean, the same formula will work. You just need to change the column index number. Instead of three, let's say contact title, which is my four. I'll just use that and just press enter. And now it will sort with the contact title here. All right. I hope you like this video, and this sort function will be helpful for you for your data sets. Thank you for watching. Your wonderful day.